day. It was lit. My man made it back. We did our thing.
It was scared out there, man. A lot of ducking and dodging and weaving, man.
How y'all from Philly invite there, telling us move, homie, like yo, move,
Move in your
and then
city.
and then turned on us. I'm like, oh shit. Like yo, it's GTA 5. You gonna leave us?
Philly, damn.
Like yo, I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to the Root, Brat, being Fatty. A couple of Philly was still riding, but the majority of y'all was running scared. Like
Panic.
they was hitting that panic button.
Good evening, I'm Joe Holden. At times, the daring drives appear to be coordinated. Tonight, some vehicles have been impounded and the Philadelphia Police Department has made arrests. Eyewitness News reporter Shantae Lance began monitoring the activity as police radio became inundated with calls about the large mobile crowds.
Joe, about 30 ATVs and dirt bikes are at this impound lot for Philadelphia PD. They were confiscated during a massive bike ride in honor and memory of a slain popular dirt bike rider. Hundreds of ATVs and dirt bikes swarmed the streets throughout Philadelphia. Drivers shared their vantage point from Girard Avenue in the Strawberry Mansion section of the city. And from above, Chopper 3 captured ATVs popping wheelies on highways and parks and on busy streets. The reason was in memory of 23-year-old Kyrell Tyler, known by many as Dirt Bike Rel. The popular rider who was known for his tricks was murdered in Southwest Philly on this day in 2014. Philadelphia police stayed close by. Some riders fell, leaving behind their bike like this one on the Schuylkill Expressway. Police confiscated 30 ATVs and dirt bikes total. Some of them were taken at Aramingo Avenue near the I-95 ramp. And further down Aramingo near Church Street, police made 2 arrests. Chopper 3 captured a police foot chase through a cemetery of one rider. He was caught and arrested.
Let's go! Yup! Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yup, I see him. Yeah, I see him. Yup,
How can I switch up on my game? For my squad, I will let it bang. If I get hurt, I will never sing. Cause I will never switch up on my game.
Fatty Squad! What is good, guys? I'm starting off the vlog on the helmet right now because I am super late to road day, y'all. Everybody is waiting for us. We gotta go. Gotta go. Thank you. Woo. Yep. And it's cold as outside, y'all. Yeah. What's up, bro? Chillin'? Yo. Let's go, baby. I know. What is up, baby? You good?
You already know.
Yeah. What's up, baby? He's so lit. lit, y'all, lit. Yeah. Shiba. You alright? Guys, yo, what's up, baby? It's getting wild over here, y'all. I don't know where everybody going. We got a pack over there. Yo!
Who's this guy? Hey, who's this guy?
VVS in the days, got the fingers on me. Yeah, diamonds dancing in the shining. We run on the rock from the diamond. Look down at the rolling, and they said perfect timing. Yeah, criminal minded. One flick of the wrist, you know that you're blind. My diamonds is dancing, your diamonds is tall, my diamonds is shining. Yeah, we stay in the track. We put in that work, we put in that time. And yeah, so call up my phone. You know that I'm busy, you know that I'm grinding. I just made 100 bands. I just made 100 bands. I just made 100 bands. Yeah, I just made 100 bands. Yeah, diamonds on me in the dance. 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 Yeah, I just made 100 bands. I just made 100 bands. I just made 100 bands. Yeah, I just made 100 bands. Yeah, diamonds on me in the dance. 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 Talk to the money, then run to the bag. You walk to the money.
Baby.
That's a. I mean,
We ain't trying to beef. We don't want no problems, man. We're trying to just ride. We don't want no smoke with nobody. Just chill and ride.
Diamonds all on my body, giving me the frostbite. Diamonds is goofy. She give me that brain, she give me that coochie. Honey, I'm home. She thinking she wifey, thinking she Lucy. He's like tough. When y'all don't know action, they make a movie. Diamond dancing and they going crazy. Many niggas hating, but it never fade. No, they can't stop this shit. We ain't whopping shit. Whoa, diamonds is fashion, bitch. Like paparazzi, bitch. Whoa, diamonds, they dancing, they dreaming, they scheming, they mad. Our diamonds, they shine.
Hey, what's up, my guys? Subscribe in the channel, and I'll make sure to bring you more video in the channel. I just started putting more video in the channel. This is Pichino. Subscribe.